Okay, so here is my second trade for today. As you can see here, I had the color change, red bars. I was in the oversold, had the red volume bars, and also I waited for 3 dots to appear and went into the trade. I got my first target at 50 ticks, and now I'm waiting for price to move up and then break. Right now my second contract is minus 32, and it will trail 2 candles back. I am using the Predator to manage my trade. I can, there's a button here which it's not shown here. I can move the second contract to break even. Actually, let me just move it to break even, actually, right here. Let me see. Move it to break even. Lock in some profits. So price is starting to move down. Let me move it down further. So I know 50 tick may seem a lot, but the wrinkle bars have 32, 80, 160 settings. I just need half a bar for me to reach my take profit. Just half the bar. That's all I need.
Order filled.
Okay, I just got stopped out. That could just be a pullback. Just a wick.